Hi guys, welcome to Karen's Corner. Today I have a lot of decisions to make because I have to decide which of these stamps, and I've got more stamps and also some cutting dies, which one I'm gonna keep and which one I'm gonna sell. So that's not gonna be easy, but a lot of these I have never used, most of them, or just once or maybe twice, and that's it. So I think I can let go of a lot of these, and the rest that I have left I might use more often, because now I have 2 of these containers full of these stamps, and then I might just have 1 or a little one. Anyway, it might seem that I haven't been decluttering for a while, but I have been so busy. I've been decluttering my Hello Kitty items, and I know I've been saying it for about a year, I think. But by now I'm really close to making blind boxes of all my items. I just have to sort through 2 more boxes, and then I can start making dividing them over other boxes, making blind boxes, and then I'm gonna sell the lot, I hope. Okay, but first, stamps. So these are all Hero Art stamps, and they, well, except for this one, no, Hero Arts as well. So a lot of stamps in here, and most of them I have never used, not even once. And some of them I've used maybe once or twice. I haven't used this that much. So that's a shame, so that's why I want to let go of some of them. So there's only, well, this one I'm gonna keep because they're dots. But what I wanted to show you, oh, this one doesn't have that, okay. Wait, what I wanted to show you, let me get one out. This one I think I've never used. If I have, it might have been once, but I don't think I ever used this one. And look at this. You can see the rubber over here. So this is the stamp, and this is the EZ foam that's glued onto the stamp, so that you can put this on your block and it stays there and you can just stamp with it. Well, okay. But when these get a little bit older, the foam starts to shrink. I don't think they knew that when they made this, because now you have a little bit of rubber over here, and it's a bit sticky because this was stuck to the foam. But as you can see, it shrunk on all sides. But it still works perfectly. I have actually almost all of my stamps are shrunk by now, except for the dots. But you know, oh no, I can see it as well. Look at it. The dots too. It just shrunk, just a little bit. But it still stamps okay. It doesn't matter that this little edge is not covered with EZ foam. It doesn't matter, it just still works. So, so that's what I wanted to tell you. It looks a bit weird. If you touch it, it's a bit sticky, but it's okay. You can just put this on your block and just stamp with it. Most of the time I don't even put it on a block, I just stamp like this, and that makes an awesome background. So anyway, here we go. Well, this one I want to keep. Sorry if you liked it. This one, it's a dot I want to keep. I don't think I'm gonna put these plastics in between anymore. It just doesn't do anything. So let's just get some out. Oh boy, here we go. First difficult decision. I really like this one, but I don't think this is a maybe pile. And this one hasn't been used, as you can see. I still have to remove the protective layer. I really love this one, Chinese characters, but I'm gonna let go of this. Oh boy, it's hard because this one is cute as well. Oh, did you see that? Well, you saw this one. These are lanterns. Never used it. As you can see, still a protective layer on here. I'm gonna let go of it. This one, also new. I really like, but I'm gonna let go of it. Now this one I find very funny. It's also new. It is all kinds of formulas and stuff. And both my husbands, I wanted to say, what? Now both my husband and my son are both physics teachers. Well, my husband is retired and my son took over his job. So I think I like to use this every now and then. This is Candle Joy. Well, this is just a page from a dictionary. I don't think I've ever used it, but it doesn't have the protective layer anymore. I don't think in the beginning they did. Oh wait, these have a protective layer, but they don't, as you can see, they don't have the image on it. These do have the image on it. They don't have a protective layer. Okay. So this, I think I've never used this one. It is awesome. but I'm gonna let go of it. Okay, dots, you know, I need dots. These I really like. I have used these also, as you can see. These I want to keep. This one I've used once. It looks brand new, but I just used it once. Again with all the foam over here, but that's the foam, no foam over here. But it's okay, if you push this down with your block, then this edge will also stamp. Yes, I've used it once, and I'm gonna let go of it. Oh, okay. The next lot. Oh, this one is one of my favorites. It does bend a little by now, but that might be because I have them stored like this, so you just need to bend them a bit like this and store them flat. Would be better, I think. See, it's already better. But this one is one of my favorites. Gonna keep it. These are very nice. I do like bigger, bolder stamps, but I'm gonna let go of this one. I'm gonna let go. Oh, but this one, what does it say? Friend, thank you, you and me. I do love this heart, but nope, gonna let go. I really want to let go of a lot, so I'm gonna not think too much about it. I do love the hearts, but not enough. Okay, this is always handy to have some scribble stuff on hand, so I'm gonna keep these. And these are bigger hearts. Okay, I do like these, so these I'm gonna keep. This is actually, I wanted to put it on this pile, maybe, but no, I wanna keep it. Okay. Well, it's almost as big, the keep and let go pile. Okay, the keys are really nice for Alice in Wonderland. And I did use it once, I think, but I'm gonna let go. This is a huge heart. I'm gonna let go of it. This one I absolutely love. I have used it before. This is a maybe. Okay, this one is really nice for backgrounds for Alice, and this one as well. So these I'm gonna keep. And you know what? Dots. I think I've already sorted through this once before, but you know, I'm sorting through it again. I'm letting go of a lot more. Look at it. This is all gonna go. So these I absolutely love, but I've not used them. Well, I've not used any of these since the last time I sorted through them. I think I'm gonna let go of them. Let go. Let go. Just let go. This one, I don't know yet. This one I just find very beautiful, but I don't know what to do with it. Do you have that? That you have stamps and you think, oh, I love this, but you just never use it. No. I don't know, maybe pile. This is just 2 flowers. Now I do love this bold flower, so I'm gonna keep this one. I do love this flower as well, but I'm gonna let go of it. This is awesome. But am I going to use it? I have not used this. Maybe, or have I used it once? I've used it once. I'm gonna let go. This one I'm gonna let go of. Oh, poppies. I love poppies. I can't let go of this one. Don't know what to do with it yet, but... And then this one... okay, maybe pile. So, okay. So I'm gonna let go of all of this. Look at this. It's about half. This I am going to keep. And these, I'll think about it. I've got another box. That's not all. It's a smaller box. Oh wait, these are greeting farm stamps. These aren't. Okay, well, still need to figure out. Oh, I hope I can show you. These are just so cute. This is a little... boy. I'm gonna let go of most of these. I just don't ever use them. Although this one is really nice. It is a Scotsman? It's a Scottish person. Baseball player. It's really hard to see, but I'm gonna let go of the baseball player. Cutie with a flower. Maybe pile. I've searched through these as well. This one is Edward Collins, the vampire. I'm gonna let go. A cute cowboy. Is really cute. So maybe I'm gonna make a separate maybe pile. A cute squirrel and a very cute bunny. I'm gonna let go of. I can do this. Okay, so you've got a yoga girl. I'm gonna let go of her. She's just so cute. I'm gonna keep her. I love this one as well. A cute fairy, gonna keep her. This one is so cute. But I'm gonna let go. This one doesn't have a picture on it. Hope you can see it. No, it's so hard to show you guys. It's a cute little girl, but I'm gonna let go of her. Then I have this one, the post woman. I'm gonna let go of her. A cute cowboy lady. Nah, I'm not gonna use it. Cute little Indian girl. Oh, she's so cute, but I'm not gonna use it. I'm not gonna use this either. Okay, I do like this one. A Hawaiian girl or a little girl with a ukulele. Then I have a Roaring Twenties, and I have this one. These are gorgeous, but I'm gonna let go of them. So then I still have the cowboy and the little girl. I'm just gonna keep this. Look at it. I might regret this one day, but I'm not that into coloring. Maybe that's because my hands shake a little. They don't shake normally, but when I'm really working on something, maybe it just gets too much and they start to shake a little. So I don't really like coloring that much anymore. Maybe that's it, I don't know. Might regret it, but oh well, who cares? So this is all I'm keeping, and then I have to do this one. Because these were all my stamps. So this one might be nice to put, you know, like this on a art journal. This one, yeah, I'm gonna keep. So you know what, I knew already that I wanted to keep these. This one is one that I won't use that often, but every now and then you need a hand. Just need a hand, or this little thing, or so I'm gonna keep it. It's not gonna be used very often, but I'm gonna keep it. This one I just like, and this one I'm gonna let go. So this is all I'm keeping from those 2 containers. That's great, right? So shall I do something else, or is this enough for this video? Okay, so I have all these folders, embossing folders. So these I'm gonna do next time because it's just gonna be too much. But now I'm gonna do these. So this one, it came with this actually. I haven't used it. It's not been opened. I really like, but I'm gonna let go. Wait. I need to do it right. This is the let go pile. This is the keep pile. These have stamps. No, this one. I thought these had stamps. Well, some of them do. This is clocks, and because of Alice, I'm gonna keep this. I hardly ever use an embossing folder, but maybe once when I start using them, I'm gonna use them more often. But now, to be honest, I haven't used them for years. So this one is a flower, and then you have the embossing folder, I think. Wait a minute, it's stuck a little bit. Oh, it's stuck on here, so you keep them together. So you've got the flowers and an embossing folder. That's really nice. But this one I'm gonna let go of, so I'm gonna glue it back on. So this one I'm gonna let go of. Here we go again. Oh, I can also keep this one and let go of the stamp. Although I'm not really sure if I want to emboss. You can see it over here. But this one I want to try. This one I like. Oh my gosh, these are so difficult. Because, sorry guys, sounds really nice. There's just a sticker on here. This one I really like. Maybe pile, I don't know. These are flowers, cute flowers. I've not used these. This is just from being a little bit older. It gets, you see, a little bit white, but that's okay. Nothing happens to the rubber. It's still okay. Okay, let go. Okay, so these I'm gonna keep. You know what? This I'm gonna keep as well. If I don't use this within a few 1 or 2 years, I might go through it again and just let go of it, or I might just use it. Okay, hard to show you, I think. This says little lady, princess, little girl, and a crown. I'm gonna let go of it. Okay, difficult circles, more circles. Okay. I'm not gonna use this. These are all circles. I'm just gonna let go of it. Flowers and corners and stuff. I don't think I'll ever use this. This is for when you make cards. It's so awesome, but it's just not, I don't think it's for me. I bought all of these and I was so happy I got these, but I don't think I've ever used one of them. And then a bit of foam, of course. More circles. They are awesome. But I'm gonna let go of the lot. So, this I'm gonna let go of. And this I'm gonna keep. That's good, isn't it? Guys, I need a compliment because this is very hard. I've been putting this off for a long time. And because I don't use my dies and my embossing folders, I just, you know, I might use it. That's why I keep them. What if I start liking it and I want to do more and then I just got rid of all of this? You know what? Then I'll just buy a new one. Here, a new one. Not as many as these, but just a new one. So, this is all that is left. Let me put everything in a box and I'll show you. This is what I'm going to let go of. This is what I'm going to let go. I don't know if I say that correctly. And these, need to put them on top. And then this is what I'm going to keep. And these. Look at it. I'm so proud of myself. I'll put it on top. I'm not going to store it like this because that doesn't work. I need to reorganize this. But look at it. This huge thing is going to go. Everything is going to go. And this little thing I'm going to keep. Nice. Nice, nice. I'm so happy I started this. It's always so hard to declutter because actually you want to keep everything. I didn't buy it because I didn't like it. I bought it because I wanted to do something with it. But now I'm gonna let go of this. So if you check out my Karen's Declutter Corner on Facebook, if I can, I'm gonna leave a link down below. And if I remember also, you have to join the group if you want to leave a comment. If you just give a thumbs up, I'm not sure if you really want it or if you just like the stamp. So if you really want it, you need to react with sold or I want this or is it still available or whatever. So like I said, just put something underneath the picture that you want. And then I'm gonna text you back when I get around to it. So the first person who reacts is of course the person who gets it. So leave a little comment down below the picture. If you want this one, just leave below I want this one and I'll just DM you. DM you, is that direct message? Yes. Sometimes I mix up the English and the Dutch. Anyway, I'll give you a message and first come, first served. And then when someone buys it, I leave it on the site until it's safely arrived at their home and then I'll take everything off. So yeah, that's how it works. But you need to join first, otherwise you can't leave a comment. So just a thumbs up on the Facebook site. I don't know if you want to buy it or not. So join the club, the Karen's Declutter Corner. I wanted to say club. And if you want some of these, I'll find out. So that's it for today. It's a bit of a babbling video, isn't it? I'm very happy I did this. I'm not gonna look back. It's hard when I put these on Facebook side because then I see them again and I think, oh, it is really cute. Shall I keep it? Nope. I'm gonna get rid of all of this. Okay, that's it for today. You know, I would love a thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe if you're not already subscribed and hit that notification bell. So there's going to be a bit more declutter videos coming soon. It's been a bit quiet with the decluttering, but we're decluttering a lot at the moment and I just need some time between declutter sessions every now and then, sometimes a few weeks. But here we are again. So that's it for today and all that's left to say is groetjes uit Holland. Greetings from Holland.